the alertness of an explorer. So you should be very alert to explore various things. Even if it is a stupid question, ask it. A good memory and pointedness. It should be very specific questions, very pointed. It should not be a open framed questions kind of a thing. Think from and very reframe your questions. Say, sir, मेरे पास पैसा कब आएगा? Okay, I reframe it. सर, क्या मेरे पास 5 साल में पैसा आ जाएगा? क्या मैं 3 साल बाद बिजनेस कर सकता हूँ? How is my business going to be in next 6 months? So be a specific period. Analyze things from that specific period. Don't, if somebody comes to you with an open-ended question, try to give him words in his mouth so that he frames his question correctly. That is what I do when somebody comes to me. Because people actually don't know what they need to ask. And they will ask you any damn thing. सर मेरा अफेयर चल रहा है, मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड नाराज हो गई, क्या न्यूमरोलॉजी से वापस आ जाएगी? साहब न्यूमरोलॉजी गर्लफ्रेंड वापस नहीं लेकर आती, ये बता देगी आपको कि लव अफेयर होगा कि नहीं होगा. People come with stupid questions, so you will have to have patience. You don't have to snub them. उनको डांटना नहीं है, उनको गाइड करना है, उनको हेल्प करना है.
But in astrology, the people say that this thing will happen.
सर मैं अभी आप ना बीच में बोलना नहीं, ये क्लास अभी चलने दो, लास्ट में बात करेंगे. हम एक Q&A रखेंगे लास्ट में 15-20 मिनट का, अदरवाइज क्या होगा, कंटिन्यूटी टूट जाती है. A good memory and pointedness हो गया. Intuitive mind, you should have an intuitive mind. That means you are able to assess, read between the numbers. That is why I am saying, become friends of numbers, relate yourself to numbers, think about numbers. Whatever you write about numbers, think of it. Once your mind start working on it, your analysis will also get accurate. There is no other formula. It is through meditation and through concentration you can improve. Teacher teaches everyone. One student comes first, another student comes at 40%. And it is upon you how you use that information, how closely and deeply you go inside it, how you observe a person. If somebody is sitting, what is his behavior? How is he sitting? What kind of a thing is he doing? So by observation also you learn the traits. There are times when you will come, just by seeing a person, you can say that he is under the influence of this particular number. And good conversational skill. So the jargon, the language जो हम use करें, it should not be arrogant. It should be polite, firm, straightforward, clear, and transparent. These points are very important traits of a good occult science practitioner. Client can talk arrogantly, but you cannot talk arrogantly. You have to have that patience of using right language, which is understandable, which is polite and very firm. I am not saying don't be firm. सच छुपाना नहीं है, सच कहने का तरीका ऐसा रखना है कि दूसरे को समझ में आए और चुभे भी ना. Now we will say, first of all, I will show you something. I am sharing a grid with you. Is my screen visible to everyone? Yes. This is a basic numeroscope grid. Everyone please draw it. Because wherever the number is written, the number has to be there in that box. The location of the number cannot change. It's called numeroscope. Losho grid. So the first box, you have 6. I have 3 columns and 3 rows. The first row is 4, 9, 2. Second row is 3, 5, 7. Third row is 8, 1 and 6. Now first 4 is the first number 1 is given to sun because he is the father. And number 2 is given to the nurturer, that is moon. She is the queen. Number 3 in our life after father and mother that comes in our life is a guru, that is 3, Jupiter. After that, number 4 is a boy who wants to have a secured life and is also wanting to take risk in his life. And he's called Robin Hood and is called Rahu. That is the north node. So in Rahu, you can write the north node, which I talked about. Rahu is the north node. And number 5 is what is called a prince. A young teenager boy who wants to explore new things, who is adventurous, who is a traveler, who is a free-minded person. Is called Mercury. Number 6 is a person who is again a guru, but is a Rakshas guru. Like Jupiter was a Dev guru and Venus was a Rakshas guru. So he was talking about gains, enjoyment, material life, those kind of things. And he's called Venus. So all materialistic gains and love and flavors of life come through Venus. Then it comes, I would say, a shadow. Rahu and Ketu both are shadow. And Ketu is shadow, which is like a dragon head, and is called South Node. He is a dragon body, but not having the head. Rahu is only having the head, but not the body. Now, the last is the Saturn, the judge, the person who gives you what you do as per what the karmas that you do. Whatever deeds you do, whatever work you do, whatever vigilance you show, he gives you as per that. He is a judge. He is a balancer. He is one who keeps you grounded. That is Saturn. Right? So there are colors I have given to everything. So these colors are very important. And I didn't want you to, so if you can write, Sun and Mars are red in color. Moon is white in color. Then comes the Jupiter, which is yellow in color. Then comes the Rahu, which is grey in color, light grey, dark grey. Then comes किसका? Jupiter is yellow. Jupiter is yellow. Jupiter is yellow. Rahu is grey, dark grey. Then Venus is bright satin white. Bright satin, like a satin white. It is a white but satin white. Luster white जैसे बोलते हैं. Then is the Ketu, which is light grey. And then is the Saturn, which is black. Mercury, I have told you, that is green. सर आपको रिकॉर्डिंग मिलेगा रवि जी, यू विल बी एबल टू सी, डोंट नीड टू क्लिक. आपको कुछ भी उसके अलावा चाहिए होगा तो आई विल सेंड यू द शीट ऑल्सो, नो इश्यूज. हाँ ठीक है. अब हम सबसे पहले वी विल अंडरस्टैंड. आई हैव रिटन विद एवरी प्लैनेट. सन इज अ किंग, मून इज अ क्वीन, जुपिटर इज द देव गुरु, 5 इज राहु इज अ रॉबिन हुड, मतलब अमीरों से लेता है, गरीबों को देता है. ही इज ऑलवेज अ सपोर्टर ऑफ अंडरडॉग्स. Then Mercury is a prince, a free young guy with a lot of energy into it, adventurous. Then ये मैंने अभी broad बताया, we will detail traits हम करेंगे, लिखेंगे इसके. Okay? Then you know Venus is like a Danav guru, which is on materialistic worlds. Then you know Ketu is like a preacher. He's a philosopher. He's a self-introspector. He's a philanthropist kind of a thing. जिसको रिसर्च करनी है, जिसको डिटेल में रहना है. और जो सीकर है, क्योंकि उसके पास सर नहीं है, तो उसको सबसे ज्ञान लेना है और उस ज्ञान को लेके सीखना है. वो भी अपने तरीके का एक गुरु है, बट वो माइंड से हटा हुआ है, तो उसको जो समझ में आता है वो करता है. तो ही हैज हिज ओन प्रिंसिपल्स और वो उसी को मानता है कि वो सीख है. केतु वैसा माइंडसेट है. Now 8 is Saturn. Saturn is something, a balancer. कर्म करता है, मेहनत कराता है, स्ट्रगल करता है, फिजिकली आपको चीजें करवाता है. आप मेहनत जितनी करते हो उतना अच्छा रिजल्ट देता है. ईमानदारी से करते हो तो ईमानदारी का रिजल्ट देता है. गलत काम करते हो, किसी के पैसे मार के आगे बढ़ते हो, तो बाद में वो आपको जेल करवाता है, या आपको मेडिकल के अंदर डाल देता है, या आपको किसी और प्रॉब्लम में डाल देता है. आपकी डीड्स का रिजल्ट देता है वो आपको बेसिकली. इफ यू आर डूइंग गुड डीड्स you will get good results. If you are doing bad deeds, you will get bad results. Right? अब हम लिखेंगे just make 3 columns like a planet, number and behavioral qualities. So you write first, start from sun first. 1 2 numbers में 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 लिख लीजिए. And start with first number is sun. The behavioral qualities are king-like. They are like king. King, kind, royal, disciplined, authoritative, strong, original. I am again repeating: kind, king-like, kind, royal, disciplined, authoritative, strong, original. He is original. They are not a copy of something. They are independent players. They have their own standout, their independent personality. Mostly people who have their very good son, they would be at a very, very key position or doing their own business. They cannot work below somebody so easily. Next is the moon. The qualities are queen-like, royal, attractive, ever-changing. Now moon is 15 days is into becoming big, and 15 days it is becoming small. Amavasya and Purnima. So the mind is very, very fluctuating and changing. Mood swings. Things. Ever-changing, delicate, good partners, collaborators, someone who loves to be in the company always. Moon cannot be into isolation. He always requires sun, earth around it. So they are one who are very friendly with everyone. And if somebody's moon is bad, he can be into depression. He can have suicidal tendencies. Yes. So, and in sun, you can write in brackets soul. It is your soul. So moon is your mind. Rahu is your physical world.